Mercedes-AMG is officially closing the chapter on one of its most debated performance cars ever. The four-cylinder C63 is on its way out, and this time, the confirmation comes straight from the top. After months of speculation and mixed reactions from enthusiasts, the brand has decided that the current electrified setup is no longer the right direction for its iconic sports sedan. According to Michael Sheeby, the future of the C-Class performance model will move away from hybrid complexity and return to a simpler gasoline-powered formula. The upcoming model will not carry the C63 name and will instead arrive as a C53 powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine. This engine is already familiar from the CLE53 and delivers 443 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque in its current form. While those numbers fall short of the outgoing plug-in hybrid C63, raw output is not the whole story. The previous model produced a massive 671 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque, but it also carried significant weight due to its electric hardware. In United States specification, the four-cylinder C63 tipped the scales at 4,817 pounds, which dulled the driving experience despite impressive acceleration figures. By removing the hybrid system, Mercedes-AMG expects the new C53 to feel more balanced, more responsive, and ultimately more engaging behind the wheel. Even though the inline-6 engine is heavier than the previous four-cylinder, the overall vehicle should be noticeably lighter and more agile. Interestingly, AMG insists this change is not driven by customer backlash alone. The real issue is regulatory. The compact 2.0-liter engine has become increasingly difficult to adapt to upcoming Euro 7 emissions rules, which take effect later this year. That reality has forced AMG to rethink its strategy sooner than expected. The new C53 is expected to debut alongside the upcoming C-Class facelift, signaling a clear pivot back toward traditional internal combustion performance. While a V8-powered C63 is not officially confirmed, Mercedes has already stated that a new V8 engine is in development, keeping hope alive for the long-term future. For enthusiasts, this move feels like a course correction. A pure inline-6 may not replace the emotional pull of a V8, but it promises a driving experience that feels more authentic, lighter, and less complicated than the outgoing hybrid experiment.